3, 2, 1.
We're 2 days after I started this video. I'm actually so happy right now with this thing. This is awesome.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm wearing the OG shirt. That can only mean one thing. We're doing an install video today. What do you think, what coils I got? The silvers or the BC? Do that now, and then you'll see late in a little bit, but I'm gonna start with the back. They look easier to do. Then I'll move to the front. But hopefully it doesn't take that long. We'll see. Usually projects that go for 2 hours turn out to be like 6 hours. Who knows? The front does look a little bit more challenging and difficult, but we'll get it done, and it's gonna look mint.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if there's no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me.
Alright, now before I show you guys the coils, I'm gonna show you what we need to take apart first up in here. So, just gotta undo those bolts. Luckily, they don't look too rusted, honestly, it looks good. And then, there's a bolt back here we gotta undo. Oh, this bolt right here, that looks kind of rusted, just to drop that so we can get that spring. I got new spring back here that we had to take out. Obviously the new strut, I'm guessing that's what that is. Okay, I don't know what these are called. Maybe you guys can help me on the comments. I'm not gonna even guess. Yeah, so I guess we'll do that first, the spring first, then we'll do this. That way it can still hold everything. Now it's time to show you guys the coils. Ooh. I think some of you are gonna be very surprised and shocked. The only reason why I went with these is because, big hint, you don't really see many of them or many install videos of this brand. So that should be a dead giveaway right now. If you go look on YouTube, mine might be the only one that comes up for this company, for this car, the Focus ST. And also I talked to people on Instagram about it. I was like asking them questions, trying to figure out what's best for me. What do I want? The kilograms, because I did 7K in the front, 9K in the rear. It's gonna be pretty stiff. Hopefully it's not too terrible where I'm hitting bumps like that, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be a lot better. It'll look way better too. I mean, you're gonna have to sacrifice something for whatever you want to make look good, you know what I mean, right? So enough talking, let's go look at these coils. All right, this is your last chance to guess what you guys think it is. 3, 2, 1. You guys guess if those silvers are neomax? The silvers neomax, or did you guys guess if it was BC coils? I think I got a lot of you on BC because I put a poll up on my Instagram. Like I said, if you guys aren't following the Instagram, you won't know what I'm doing to the car. Those are little sneak peeks. So follow my Instagram, hatcher_Mikey. I post seldomly, not a whole lot. I post more than I do on YouTube, obviously, because it's easier, like I said. It's quicker to snap a pic or videos and post it up on the story. The poll, I think it was like upper 20s were guessing for silvers, and then high 70s or lower 70s were guessing BC. And a lot of you guessed wrong, but some of you guessed correctly. Shocker. But here we go. See? Let's get this thing open. I already opened it before. So this is my second time seeing them. I couldn't wait when they came in. So when I ordered these, I ordered them and they're about the same price as BC's. I think maybe like 50 bucks off or whatever. But I ordered them and then I got an email saying that it's been processed and it's going to be getting ready for delivery. So I look on FedEx and I see like a TW. I'm like, what state or country is that? And it's Taiwan. And I'm out here. But I'm out here like, oh no, I just bought some fake coils, or I bought knockoffs. I don't know. Because when I looked them up, it was silver US or USD, whatever, the United States. And, oh, Charlie, she's trapped. But yeah, so I was ordering them and I was like, dang, I just ordered the wrong coils. Like, I'm getting screwed. But then late night, I did some searching. I was like, well, actually, comes out that silvers are made in Taiwan. So if you buy silvers and you see that it's from Taiwan, they're original, they're OG. You're not getting screwed over. Because I was getting upset. I was like, damn, I just spent how much on these, and I'm thinking they're fake, but they're not. So yeah, let's take a look at these things. Oh, I'm screwing up the box. There we go. I bet y'all never used one of these before. Sorry, I'm eating a Rishi cup. All right. Oh my goodness, look at those. Oh my goodness. Woo. Woo. Look at that. All right, so this one's the front, this one's the rear. And then here's that thing I was talking about. I have no idea what this is called, so hopefully you guys can help me in the comments. And then here's that rear spring. And we're definitely gonna have to use some instructions on how this goes in correctly, for sure. Let's get this going. I'm freaking sweating like a whore in church out here. It's hot. Let's get it done and over with and get swimming. All right, so I'm going to measure from the lip of this, since it's gonna hit the top of the car, down to the bottom of that to see how high or low I really want to get it. And then I'll just have to adjust it based off of that. My goal is to go like an inch in the rear, maybe 1.5 inches lower, and then a 1/2 inch, but right now it's raised up. So that's why it looks like that. But I plan on dropping a little bit. I don't want to slam it, but everyone else is telling me to slam it. All right, so I measured it out to be 17¾ from the top of this down to the center of that. We'll see if that's good enough. I don't know. I feel like I'm just gonna do a lot of adjusting, so. Garbage. Okay. Oh man, that took way longer than I expected. Got a little dirty, but we got it on there. And now it's time for the big reveal. How it will look. Let's see. Well, looks the same. I need to lower it some more. It looks the same. Let's see what the other side looks like. Looks like I need to, it's a smidge. It's a smidge lower. Gotta go lower. All right. All right, guys, remember how I mentioned a little bit ago, I said a project that maybe a few hours will take me or my friends multiple hours on top of that? Well, that happened. We're 2 days after I started this video. So I only got the backs on. I'm not gonna show you yet until I get everything done, the fronts, but I just got the rears done. And it's mainly 2 days later because I wasn't able to work on the car yesterday. So now we're gonna be putting the fronts on. So, and I have no idea what these are for. None, zero idea. I am still lost. Maybe you guys can tell me if I'm doing something wrong and I'll have to fix it later, but I don't know. I think it looks good right now. Looks a lot lower, looks way better. I'm kind of nervous about driving it. All right, so got the tire off, and in order to get to the top of it, it's right under here. So we have to take this cowl off. So we got to take off the windshield wipers, and then I believe we pop this off. Yep, and take out some bolts. Yeah. So I've been going through it to try and get this bracket off thing. I got it off down here for that. When they say put a 17 mil wrench back behind this thing and it should hold it, that's a bunch of bullshit, dude. Look what happens when I did that. It tore it up. Yeah, that's what freaking happens. Plus, there's nothing even back there to hold it on. Like, what's it supposed to grip onto? That right there, it's just gonna slide. And it just tore it up. That's what happened. It broke. Everything broke. So instead I just used one of these, got it tightened down, put it back there. Give me 1 second, let me clamp this on. Clamp that thing on there. Use the good old Ugga Dugga. Got it. Absolutely mangled and destroyed. But look, what's it supposed to hold on to back here? Tell me, what do you think in the world it's supposed to hold on to? Oh, it's hot. Absolutely nothing. Nothing it can hold on to back here. All right, let's see if the seating even goes in back here. Oh, beautiful, perfect. But look, oh, how convenient. It gives you a thing to put back there so you can actually freaking tighten it. Okay, so apparently you put it in the opposite way. Well, we got it off. Literally an hour later, hands tore up. I'm just aggravated for how long that took and how hard it was. Don't make it fool you. Other people on YouTube fool you. It sucks. Either I'm just terrible, but it's not fun. It sucks. All right, guys, so I'm working on this driver's side now. And the easiest way I've found to get this bolt off for this thing and this one, just use these kind of, I don't even know what they're called, like where you can tighten it and then lock it in place, like a vice grip kind of thing. Like, just use that instead of a 17 mil. It doesn't freaking work. I don't know how they got it, but it works so much better using this thing. Man, oh man. Yeah, so we got it up there. Just got to bolt everything, tighten everything down. But this side was obviously a lot easier because I figured out how to do it. Okay, so instead of unbolting the top and I'm bolting this bolt back here, or like tightening it up to loosen it and dropping this down. I dropped this down first, unbolted 2 of the bolts. So I left this one a little loose, unbolt this one, unbolt that one completely. That way it could kind of like, you could like pivot, that way it could come out. And I mean, I don't know, I'm not sure if you guys should do this too, but what I did was I stood right here and just kicked down as hard as I could, allowing it to pop out and come out. Just make sure this is out of the way, because mine was stuck up here on the old one and was getting pulled, so it almost broke. So don't do that. Don't make that same mistake I almost did. But other than that, I'm getting excited to see how it looks on the ground. It sucked in the beginning, yes. Did I say it wasn't fun? Yes, but will it be fun afterwards? Hopefully. Hopefully. I got everything done, got it all on there, got it all buttoned up. I'm not going to show you yet, but I do think I'm going to keep the fronts how they are. I don't want to do it right now because how long it's been taking me over the next couple weeks or whatever. I'll work on the back again, get them lower. That way it kind of looks a little better. I think the fronts will look really good. I need to go test it to make sure that it's not going to rub anywhere, because it looks pretty low to me. I kind of like it though. I mean, standing away from it. Let's see. I'll have to pull it out and see, but I'm gonna clean up, put everything back together, and then I'll show you guys. All right, guys, so this is actually my second time driving the car. I did have to fix it because, very nice. So I'm beyond stoked now about it, because at first my buddy was with me and he could tell you about it. I'll be with him later tonight. We were riding in it, and I'm not joking. It was literally, it was like this. It was bad, and I was getting pissed about it. I was like, man, I messed up. I ordered the wrong things. I ordered them too hard. I feel way lower. It's so weird. That little bit makes a big difference. I'll show you after this. I have to go somewhere and cast a vote, because they think my voice matters. But I'll show you what it looks like on the outside once I get here. Pushing the time. I only got 20 minutes left till I think the polling closes. But I'll show you, and I'm actually so happy right now with this thing. This is awesome. It is a little bit more responsive, bumpy, but it responds super well. It's like it's hugging the ground when I'm turning. Now, I'll have to tell you guys what happened or what I did to make it not be so bumpy and weird, because it was like the coil, or the rear coil, was already maxed out, like it wasn't giving any give, so it was like super bouncy back there. So I had to take some things out. Oh my goodness, it is packed. So it is a little bit more pricey. I mean, it's about probably a little bit less than a Chevy SS though. That could also be just turned into a daily driver. Light modifications for now, but here it is. It's at this house over here, right back there. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and we are just now getting started. So if you could subscribe, like, and even comment. This is about to get insane.